Here's how to access your Snapchat data after you requested it. Now open up the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android. We need to get your settings. So tap on your profile at the top left and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now that you're in your settings, you need to basically go through the process of first requesting to download all of your information. You can choose specific information to download, and then it usually takes a few hours or even a day to get the ability to download it back. So to find that, you need to scroll down from here, and you're looking for the option that says under privacy controls towards the bottom, my data. Tap on that. Now from here, you'll be able to see it pulls up a screen that will show you all of the data that you can download. Keep in mind, it's running a bit slow, but you can see here, I can export my memories. I can export my chat history, support history, spotlight, my location, a bunch of different stuff. Just tap on the next button here. You can choose whether it's the last year, all time. Let's say I just want the last week and hit submit. Now, after you've gone through that process, keep in mind, you will have to wait out of here. So basically, it should take anywhere from 24 hours to a few hours, somewhere in between that. After you've done that, you can open up the Snapchat app again, tap on your profile at the top left, and then a gear icon at the top right. Now that you're back into your settings, all you need to do is same as before, go down until you get to privacy controls, tap on my data. Now, instead of going through the process of requesting a new data dump or data export, let me try that again. All you need to do is find the ability to download that data. So basically just wait until this loads. Again, there was a big outage recently, so everything's taking a bit longer to load. But essentially, you're just gonna wait for this to load, and then you'll be able to see one specific section where you can download all of that requested data. You can see at the very top, data available for download. Tap the drop-down arrow, and you'll be able to see it says your data to download, and you can see exports here. Just tap on that and hit download. Now this will pop up with a download button, and just tap on download to download that zip file to your phone. But now you want to find where it is. You need to hop out here on iPhone or Android. We're going to swipe over to the app library, and we're going to search for the Files app. So just open up the Files app. You might need to go all the way back to the beginning, tap on my phone and downloads. And there is that downloaded information that you requested. You can tap on it to unzip and tap on the folder. And now you can see all sorts of different things like chat media, and you can go into your index, and you can go into your memories. All of those things are readily available that you just downloaded.